Welcome back to Alpha Third. Aj is a very special day. I'm gonna fly for the first time the Cessna 172 G1000 cockpit. Abhi tak I've just flown these aircrafts. These are called the Piper Cherokees. This one right here. It's a single engine with a low wing type aircraft, and we're gonna fly one of these, the Cessna 172. I completed my PPL. I am a private pilot now, and I will be starting my IR training, that's instrument rating, and I will be doing that like very soon. The plane we're gonna fly today is the Cessna SKYHAWK 10632, but the thing is, it's not yet here. Some other instructor has taken it for a while right now. So I got something good for you guys. I got a Cessna 172 model, just so you guys can know what I'm gonna fly today. This is a Cessna 172 model aircraft, of course. Most of the training institutes have this plane to fly. This is the world's most general aviation trainer aircraft, the Cessna 172. And most of my friends, the one that I did my training with from back in India for DGC exams, they are flying the Cessna 172. But I came in a school where the single engine was the Piper Cherokee. So चलिए, जब तक हमारा प्लेन नहीं आता, we'll give you a quick tour of the school. यहाँ से हम आते हैं. That's like वहाँ एक रास्ता जाता है to all the houses and accommodations. We come all the way like this. We park our. There's my scooter parked there. We park our cars and cycle here. We enter through this. The first thing you see when you enter the school is this big hangar. This is where the FBO is, the fixed base operation for to fly. This is the east side of the hangar, and this is the ramp where all the aircrafts are parked, the Cherokees, and behind there the Cessnas. So the entrance to the school is, you keep on walking towards the ramp. यहाँ पे left side में jets वगैरह खड़े रहते हैं. These jets are owned by the school only. यहाँ पे आपका FBO है, and this, ये हमारा मेन डोर है. So this is the front desk. I have to be quiet here, and this is the east side of the school, where here you have a computer testing center. This is the instructor's room. Instructors are inside. This is the chief pilot's room, and this is basically, you can go in and study here. The right side, we've got our entire briefing, flight planning room. This is where we all come, sit before each flight and plan our flights. We've got a weight and balance to fill. Our schedule is right up here for every student. We've got schedule and the plane list here. There, where the guy is checking the weather right now. We keep on checking the weather. We've got some PCs. We've got a small cafeteria here. We can make coffee, oven, fridge, microwave, oven, fridge, and some eatables. Of course, it's not free. It's a bit. You've got some tables around here. You've got some PCs if you want to check your mail or print out something. Here's the map of Florida that we use as a reference. Here, out of this door, this directly leads us to the hangar, or the hangar that I showed you. That was the east FBO. We just walked in out from there. This is where all the planes, like the hospital of planes, you know, all planes come here to get checked, get repaired. And up there, when we go inside, I'll show you, we go over there. Up there are the classrooms and the simulators. So we got two classrooms here for PPL, for IR, for CPL. यहाँ पे washrooms हैं. There's the ladies one, that's the men's one. Again, entry towards the ramp, and this is the entry towards the hangar. जहाँ से मैंने कहा था, वहाँ classrooms है सारे. यहाँ से you can go. That side, there's nothing to show क्योंकि बस खाली सी जगह है. But yeah, basically this is the layout of our school. हमारे स्कूल में देखना 5 सेस्ना है, एक वहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे। ये वाला मेरा वाला जो मैं आज फ्लाई करूँगा, ये मैडम वहाँ खड़ी है, पता नहीं क्यों। दिस इज़ 10632. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम गोना फ्लाई टुडे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, द सेस्ना 172 विथ अ गारमेंट कॉकपिट G1000. G1000 क्या होता है बेसिकली? डिजिटल कॉकपिट होता है. यू हैव अ PFD, you have an MFD. PFD is basically a big screen with all your major 6-pack instruments. तो ये उसमें एक ही डिजिटलाइज रहता है, बहुत एक्यूरेट रहता है. These systems are very very accurate, very good. Hello, hey,
Hi.
move, let me do pre-flight. अच्छा, हमका क्या प्लान है? रन ईस्ट साइड, वहाँ पे एक बीच है, कोको बीच, विच इज़ वेरी फेमस. हम वहाँ जाने वाले हैं आज शाम में. And then dinner in a place called Pita Paradise, which is going to be super fun. अभी ये flight करेंगे, then I'll come back, then we're gonna get ready for going to Coco Beach. This is the cockpit of a Cessna 172 with the G1000. G1000 basically ये दो screens जो आपको दिख रहे हैं, that is G1000. The main screen in front of the PIC seat is called the PFD, which is the primary flight display. This is the MFD, multifunction flight display. We are gonna fly with respect to those. हमारे बैकअप इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे तीनों, जो हम नॉर्मली मेरे चेरोकीज में आई यूज टू फ्लाई विद दीज. इसका थ्रॉटल यहाँ पे है, ज़रा अलग है. चेरोकी में ऐसे यू कैन होल्ड इट एंड दिस वंस लाइक विद 2 फिंगर्स. ट्रिम इसका आगे है, फ्लैप्स इसके इलेक्ट्रिकल है, योक सिस्टम इसका अच्छा है. इट्स गॉट लाइक, इसका इंटीरियर मुझे बहुत पसंद आया कंपेयर टू अ चेरोकी. एंड बैक सीट में भी यू गॉट स्पेस, यू गॉट अ डिक्की. इसके बाद एक प्रॉपर प्री फ्लाइट करूँगा, लेकिन आपको दिखाने के लिए एक छोटा सा प्री फ्लाइट. बेसिकली हम यहाँ क्या चेक करने वाले हैं, दीज आर योर फ्लैप्स हम एक्सटेंड करके चेक करेंगे इफ देयर आर एनी डैमेजेस टू इट. अच्छे से रिट्रैक्ट एंड एक्सटेंड होता है या नहीं. दीज आर द एलरॉन्स व्हिच आर गोना लिफ्ट अप एंड डाउन एंड वी गोना चेक एलरॉन्स ठीक है या नहीं. पूरा विंग होता है आपका, ये आपका स्ट्रट है जो इस विंग को संभालता है फ्रॉम द मेन फ्यूजलाज. यहाँ आपके टायर्स है. हम बेसिकली ये पूरा चेक करते हैं देखने के लिए देयर आर नो क्रैक्स, बेंड्स, कुछ नहीं. सो everything should be in an airworthy condition. यहाँ पे तो आपका ऑयल कैप रहेगा अंदर, आपको ऑयल डिपस्टिक से चेक करना पड़ता है. ऑयल इज इन द प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी. दिस इज योर काउलिंग, दिस इज योर एयर इनटेक, दिस योर प्रॉप. टायर्स है. लेफ्ट साइड आए एयरक्राफ्ट के, यू विल सी योर स्टैटिक पोर्ट्स. देन यू हैव योर डोर्स अगेन, द सेम विंडोज. यू हैव गॉट योर पीटो ट्यूब हियर, यू हैव गॉट अ स्टॉल हॉर्न वार्निंग हियर, लैंडिंग लाइट्स एंड टैक्सी लाइट्स हियर, स्ट्रट्स, लैंडिंग गियर्स. बेसिक स्टफ है जो नॉर्मली सिंगल इंजन में जो रहता है वही है जो चेरोकीज में है. And your tail number here. There's your baggage compartment door. इसको बस खोल के आप baggage रख सकते हो आप अपना. And this is your elevator, horizontal stabilizer with the elevator. It's not a stabilizer. अपने Cherokees में आपने देखा होगा ये पूरा move करता है. In this only this part moves. Aircraft के ऊपर आपके antennas है. यहाँ आपके एंटेनास है, यहाँ यहाँ यहाँ, और पीछे 2 रेडियल्स हैं, थोड़े ELT के लिए होंगे, एंड कॉम 1 एंड कॉम 2. तो बेसिकली दिस इज़ योर सेस्ना 172 का प्री फ्लाइट. मैंने आपको क्विक वॉक अराउंड दिया. ऑफकोर्स यहाँ पे फ्यूल भी ड्रेन करूँगा मैं, ऊपर फ्यूल कैप रहता है कि वो भी चेक करेंगे. सो बेसिक सब करके है ना आपको एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस देंगे. टू एडवांस द थ्रॉटल यू जस्ट हैव टू पुश इट लाइक दिस, एंड टू कट द थ्रॉटल जस्ट पुल इट बैक. This is the mixture. To put it ahead or back, you gotta press this button and put it like this, and then take it back. Yeah, this is your idle cutoff position. Full in would be the fully rich mixture. This is your yoke. GoPro setup करूँगा, and the cockpit is big. There's the prop. मेरे को ज़रा बैठने में दिक्कत हो रही है. I didn't expect यहाँ मुझे I think एक pillow लगेगा. For the Cherokees, I don't need exactly a pillow. You got the compass here, standby instruments. यहाँ पे trim, यहाँ पे fuel selector होता है. Clear. just flew the Cessna 172, and that was kind of like a different plane. I did not expect it to be so different because both the ones which I usually fly, which is a Cherokee, a Piper Cherokee, they're not so different than the Cessna. Oh, that's my food. They're not so different from the Cessna. Only thing is the controllability was a little different. The rudders, of course, whenever you try and press the brakes, you have to turn the Cessna with the brakes. The flight was really good. The Garmin, amazing. It was so clear as to what we're doing, what heading we're flying, what altitude we're maintaining. And the convention instruments that we usually have, the 6-pack ones, they're not so accurate because they have some lag. Every time you climb or you descend, it's not going to show you instantly because it has some lag. Well, the Garmin does not have that lag. It has the AHRS system and the ADC, which gives instantaneous accurate responses to the computers, which give us the indications that, let's say if we're climbing 20 feet, it's going to show you instantly that we're going to climb 20 feet. So that was something new. The landings, oh my god, the landing on a Cessna is so good. On the Cessna, it's like all you want to do is assume that the floor is lava and you don't want the aircraft to land. All you want is to go slowly and smoothly, and it will tell you when it wants to land. When she wants to land, she will. It was a fun flight. Today we've got great plans for you. आज हम कोको बीच जा रहे हैं and we're gonna enjoy a lot and take you along with us. Hey guys, तो एक change of plan है. We are not going to Coco Beach. I've got a small and good little surprise for you. We are going to Kiwani's Island for a bioluminescence, I hope I pronounced that right, kayaking tour. There's around 8 places in the entire world where there's a phenomena when we touch the water, it glows, and fortunately and surprisingly, one of that 8 places is here in Merritt Island. Yeah, basically what we're going to do is we're going to sit in a clear kayak, a transparent kayak, and it's going to be at 10 o'clock at night, so we have a slot for 10 to 11:30. It's gonna be amazing, and I've wanted to do this for a long time, ever since I've been to Merritt Island. ये बंदा जो भी है बहुत अमीर है. He has his own big lake, real good lake, and इसमें बहुत सारे ducks आते रहते हैं यहाँ पे. This is the neighborhood I live in. That's my scooter. Houses होते हैं ऐसे in America, especially in Merritt Island. Take us to our airport, and that side is to my house. It's gonna be fun. I saw you feeding them. It looked really pretty.
They come out.
Yeah, they do. That's a turtle, right?
There's like 4 of them that come.
Oh, that's really sweet. Someone has started their selfie sessions. Every time we get ready and we go somewhere,
I've put in so much of hard work to do makeup, to dress this good.
she took literally 1.5 hours. I don't understand why girls take so much of time to just do makeup. No, I can go take a flight to Venice and come back by the time you start and finish your makeup.
I know. it's
It's
one in a blue moon that I do.
That
some
is true.
makeup.
We don't go anywhere that often.
So far, where have we been? Just
Nowhere,
Coco
literally
once,
nowhere.
and that's it. And that was like 4 months ago initially when we came here, and that has been it. Yeah.
Yes. That's Jasmine,
Yes,
and
hi.
she helped us out today a lot. She was really great. and we loved your restaurant.
Yes,
It
and you've
was
been really
amazing.
kind.
Thank you guys so much.
It's
I hope to
amazing.
see you guys again.
Yep,
for sure.
yep,
Yes, we
yep, for
do.
sure, for
Alrighty.
sure. Many people will
Nice
come.
to see you
yeah.
guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Do
much.
you guys want to write down your
So we're here doing the kayaking. We've got the bands on our necks. मच्छर नहीं तुम लोगों को काट रहे? Yeah, from India.
Well, how long have you been doing this?
So Arya, how was your experience?
Oh my god, this is like the best thing ever. Look!
Yep, it's coming. Actually, the camera is not doing justice to what we're showing.
What the guide was also saying.
Yep. Could you do that more? If you could, I could just shoot some videos. Yep. Guys, take a video of this. The horizontal area.